The following was recorded during a live Q&A session following Arnold's webinar, Optimizing Induction and Permanent Magnet Motor Design for Manufacturing. You can find the link to the full presentation, including 30 minutes of in-depth Q&A just like this, in the video description below.
In the case of the magnet wire, do you think it is necessary to use a thermoconductive coating to release the heat produced in the body of the copper?
You know, when we're working our magnet wire, you know, we're usually using something from like an Essex or another one of the big suppliers, and typically it's kind of scoped into whatever our customers pick for their wire themselves. In terms of getting heat out of the system, we'd always like to get heat out as more efficiently and as quickly as we could. Typically it's goes from the wire to the stator and outside the laminations onto a cooling jacket of some sort from the outside of the stator assembly itself. If there's more new exotic materials out there from a wire standpoint to pull the heat out of the copper better or more quickly or more uniformly, it would make sense to take a look at it as a motor designer, as long as you can source that product reliably. I'll divert a little bit to say there's a lot of things designers put into their motor designs that then end up being very difficult to source / manufacture. So you don't want to get too exotic when we're looking at newer technology solutions until they're ready for the prime time in terms of their manufacturability from the supply chain. So short answer, yeah, it'd be fantastic. But we got to make sure we can continuously source that material.